is going on. BTC has been playing out just the way I wanted to do. You've been following my videos or you've been watching my chart analysis. You must know we've been winning big on this channel. And you know, this is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this is chart analysis section whereby I dive into the Bitcoin chart and analyze the market and possibly tell you where the market is going. And if you're in the market, I'm going to tell you where you need to take your profit. All right, my name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, KC the Great, and you do not want to miss anything on this platform. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the first set of people that will get whatever content I drop for you on this great platform. All right, now you can see we are in the chart already. Let me dive into the chart. We saw this massive move yesterday. No, today is 5th, the day before yesterday, when the market dropped so much. And yesterday we saw early in the morning we saw this one. So what are we expecting the market now? We all know there's this black rock issue that probably the ETF is going to be approved or not, but that's not the problem. The problem is we need to know what we need to do. What chart is telling us what we need to stick to. Either there is a news or not, the chart is going to tell us what we need to do. So right now we saw this massive move yesterday and the correction has been done, talking about in the lower time frame, and now we have this movement to yesterday, which the correction is not yet done. And that's why I was hoping probably we're going to see the market pulling that, or we're still going to push up a bit to, I don't know, wherever I will come before we're not going to correct this hand of this pink you see I pulled there. But what do you need to do right now? What you need to do right now is, we have already seen the market creating a kind of buy structure here, then push ahead again to create a buy structure. So when you look at this trend now, it's still a buy. BTC is still a buy until BTC come back. Maybe after this green candle, then we now have another red that is breaking it, and then we're going to have a set structure and we'll be possibly now experience the market falling down to this zone, because this is going to be the buying zone. If we are sticking to the 1, 2, 3, 4, you understand? I'm talking about the breakout. If you're sticking to that, but if you're still going to move up, we're going to continue and we're going to break this higher high. So what are we expecting now? If I draw this right here, we've mitigated 0.50, but I'm still expecting market to come down to 0.6. That is the overall movement, but sometimes the overall movement just don't happen now. It happens maybe after the completion of the movement. So we might see the market still push up, or we might just see this green creating a sell signal for us, and we're going to see the market plummet and come down. If we're going to do that, guys, you need to be careful, because anything that makes us see another movement come down like this, let's say we have something that now happens to come like this, you see, we have another movement come like this and break out this, I'm afraid we might be going down to 32k. You can see we might be going down to this zone, which is 32k thereabout, but I don't know, maybe that's what's gonna happen. But right now BTC is still a buy, and if you have a buy now, I think your stop loss should be around 43,460, because the moment we break that zone, you should get out of the market if you're using the higher time frame. But if you're using lower time frame, what do you need to do? Let's go to the lower time frame and see what is cooking. Yes, even though you're using lower time frame right now, we can see on the lower time frame, we see the structure building up nicely, and you can see we have one higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we're expecting it to continue the momentum. So we're going to continue the major higher low and all of that. But if you're not going to do that, if you're using a lower time frame now, you need to get into the market when the market break 43,800 thereabout. You understand? It depends on how this candle finish, and this candle is remaining 80 minutes. If this candle should finish green, you should know you should get into the market right here, and the market will start falling down. Probably is not going to turn this our white higher low side down to where we're expecting. So right now, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still a buy, guys. If you have a buy, hold on to your buy, and the market will continue going up. And where is the take profit? Let me see where we can take profit if we are in the market right now. where can we take profit? Because if we should break out of this now, this is already done, we might be looking at all the movement from here down here. So since we already mitigate here, maybe we're going to break up, and our take profit is going to be, we're going to be using what I call trailing stop. With the moment you see a structure on a lower time frame, you're going to use that to close. So if you don't understand all these things, don't worry, you can go to the description down in the comment section, or go to the description down below. You see all the channels where I've created, where you can get signals, where you can join the community and all of that, and you can understand this thing I'm talking about, because I drop it as it happened immediately in those channels. So that's what I want to share with you on the chart analysis today, and you do not want to miss out on the next one. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and until I catch you on another episode of this wonderful chart analysis, it's peace out.